Okay, our presentation is titled Standards-Based Grading and Personalized Learning. My name is Patrice Betchica,
And my name is Michael Young.
and we're both teachers at College Community School District in the 5-6 Literacy Social Studies Department. Our outcomes for this presentation is identify two critical components of a standards-based grading system, examine and reflect on offering multiple opportunities for success in the classroom, and consider ways for providing feedback for students in a manageable way.
So our story with standards-based grading starts with me as part of a team from our school district attended a national conference on standards-based grading systems. I then worked with the team to facilitate some building changes through professional development for staff and developing our system for standards-based grading at Prairie Creek Intermediate. However, as teachers in the classroom, one of the challenges that we started to face in implementing such a system was how to make this possible without going nuts ourselves. And so we turned to something called personalized learning, which we'll talk about a little bit as a way to make standards-based grading work for us.
Okay, some elements of standards-based grading is really important, multiple opportunities. So we have ongoing opportunities for students to show proficiency in meeting and exceeding grade level standards. And then a really important piece is the feedback, providing timely and effective feedback that helps students move forward. So think about the zone of proximal development. In practice, one unit that we put together of personalized learning was called Queen's Ransom, and it's a writing unit. It was created as an intervention for students, and it has become so far our most successful game that we have used so far to date. The instructional focus was expository and argumentative writing, and the premise of the game is the player is in the kingdom of Scripton, and the queen has been kidnapped. So it's a narrative kind of unit where the kids are working with a story. And the player is tasked to complete writing challenges as a way to earn gold coins. And so their object is to pay for the queen's safe return.
And so throughout this writing unit, one of the things that we were able to do was to offer students multiple opportunities to show their success towards meeting both expository and argumentative writing standards. And so this slide here shows how I was able to provide feedback for students on the work that they were submitting, and students were working through at varying rates of completion with working towards their target. And so I was able to give feedback here, which was in the form of a PowerPoint, basically, which I sent electronically to the student, and they used that to make changes in the work that they had submitted. And then students were able to use that as a way to show how they were meeting different learning targets, and the learning targets were based on the standards that we had. And so you can see here here on the left side of the screen we have the different targets, and as students move through the different challenges or the different elements of a unit, they were keeping track of how they were meeting targets along the way. And then here what we have is an example of where a student was able to go with this unit. And so it started with very basic, being able to write a sentence, and it grew into this section of a longer piece of writing that, as you can see, shows strong voice in their writing. And so here are our contacts. My name is Michael Young.
And my name is Patrice Betchica.
Thanks.